Okay, we got two cables here. Let's see how easy it is. See my initial on one side and my initial on the other. This is my crossover cable. So let's go ahead and run a test on that. So being that it's a crossover cable, it's got a T-568B and a T-568A. Let's see, let's go and get that test running. Let's do a slow one. Alright, so that's that one. Let's check the other one. Alright, this is a normal one, so both sides, it's a standard cable, so both sides would be a T568B. So here's my initial on that side, and my initial on that side. Let's go ahead and try it out. Alright, so I already got it set up. It's on the fast setting. There we go. And that passes. Thank you.